So today I'm gonna try the Dashing Diva gel stickers that they sell at Target and Walmart. The last time I did a video, I was using the Dashing Diva and Innisfree stickers. So those came from Korea. So I'm gonna try these Target and Walmart ones. I think this was $8.29 at Target and this was $7 something at Target. But since it's close to Christmas, I guess I'll try the Christmas one. And I'm pretty sure they're exactly the same as the ones I got in Korea, but we're gonna just test it out today. So I already filed and cut my nails. They're kind of messed up because I like to peel off the sticker instead of using the remover. So don't do that. So I'm just gonna wipe them down with the alcohol wipe that came with the set. So there's 32 stickers in the set. So 2 of this one, and then just 1 set of those. It's interesting, the stickers are bigger than I guess the Asian ones. Like, that is huge. Okay. So I'm still gonna do, since my nails are still super short, I'm still gonna cut them in half and use it that way. And then I'll probably just use a total of 5 stickers. These gingerbread ones. My ring finger.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town.
These seem extra sticky, which is probably good. Help them to stay on. Just do stripe pattern. So I bought these at Target online. I didn't get to check out their selection of the store. But they had a decent amount. I think there are at least 5 that I saw that were in stock. So I measure from one side, roll it over to the other.
Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time
So I just took off or peeled off the set that I did in my last video, and they were still going good, but I was cleaning something with alcohol and it rubbed off, or it kind of melted the gel top coat, so it was really like gross and I just had to take it off. Otherwise they would have lasted a lot longer.
Stop me feeling sad, hurt and blue. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you.
Okay, that's very festive. So I'm gonna put all of this back.
I want Christmas time with you.
Maybe you should put the paper back where it was. And it comes with this nice file. It's pretty big. I'm just gonna try to file off the edges. This is actually a better file than the last one I had. It was bigger, easier to use. The other one was so tiny, it was like half the size. So you're supposed to only go or file in one direction, which is pretty hard. Especially if you have a tiny file. So that's it. So if you're gentle on your nails, you probably don't have to do the top coat. I know these are meant to just be worn as is, but I don't know. Washing dishes, cleaning house, all that stuff. Being a mom, I have to use the top coat, or else this will probably only last like one day. So I bought a new tripod where it's filming down, and I hope you guys like it. This is probably the third time I'm using it. So far so good. Way better than my old tripod. That looks good. They're pretty stuck on. I got this new tool from Ohora where it has a silicone piece to push down by the cuticle, just to make sure it's super flat. So you just kind of push and rub it along the edge. It's just the perfect tool for that. So now I'm going to get my top coat and do 2 coats, and I'll be back here.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a inside. They're getting ready to eat by the table. I keep one empty seat, for you're not here. What can I do? It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold you so close, never ever let go. We'll go walking and play around in the snow. We'll watch the sun go down, and then the moon appear. We'll eat mince pies and drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer like we just love to do. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now, through that creaky old door. I couldn't want for anything more. It would stop me feeling sad, hurting and blue. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. My Christmas should be with you. Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town.
Okay, so I did 2 coats of the top coat, and I cured it twice for the second coat, just to make sure everything was nice and cured. And I like it, it's cute. The top coat really makes it stand out. Otherwise it would really look just like stickers on my nails. But yeah, so in the details I'll report back and tell you how many days it lasted and if it was the same as the Ohora brand. Yeah, so thanks for watching. For more videos and for craft videos, please subscribe. Thanks.